Update on the eye. You probably can't see it in the video. It is a little bit red. You can feel there is some discomfort there, but it's nowhere near as bad as it has been from lesser experiences with it. It could be, I'm pretty sure it's down to constant eye drops. So I'd have said that yes, the Manuka honey saline water does work, but I wouldn't use saline water. I'd use tap water that's been sterilised. It does sting a bit, but yeah, it's not too bad. I did a bit more welding today, so yeah, I'd have said it's working. There's a chance it'll get worse tomorrow, but we'll see. Let's see.